tanks rolled in and punched holes in its walls and deposited nearly 400 canisters of tear gas inside the building. Several hours later, a fire broke out.
This far out in the country without fire hydrants, you have to haul all of your water. It's just a very bad scenario here at this point.
Winds fanned the flames and reduced the entire property to ash within an hour. Around 80 Branch Davidians died, including David Koresh and 25.
Oslo Accords that defined the end of the occupation in the Gaza Strip and the West Bank were signed in 1993. It was the moment that the Palestinian Liberation Organization recognized the State of Israel, and Israel recognized the PLO. The Accords aimed to set up the Palestinian Authority as an interim government. That interim government was supposed to transform into a permanent one after the Palestinian Independent State was established in Gaza in the West Bank by 19.
Having a seizure? Yes. How old is he?
He's 23.
23? Okay, you know telephone number?
He must be from here to Viper Room.
Okay, Viper Room.
Time for another word from the Cringely Glossary of Geek. This word is browser. It doesn't sound like much, kind of a laid-back word, but there's nothing relaxed about the browser because it changed the face of the internet. Here's how the internet looked in the 1980s. Lists of text. This is Stanford University, but you'd hardly know it from looking. It's not very user-friendly. It's actually hard to find what you want, and frankly, it was mainly a tool for nerds. And then came this, an attractive, easy-to-use shop window, a gateway to the riches of the internet. This is a browser. And just as the Mac made a PC into a computer my mother could love, the browser opened up the internet to everyone.
This simple outside says inside you'll find a lasting commitment to performance. The Intel 486DX2 processor, power for today's hottest software, and the Intel Pentium processor for the next generation of compatible power. That's Intel, the computer inside.
Two of the nice features of Windows NT are portability and scalability. Here to show us what that means are Ray Court of Microsoft and also back with us Mike Nash of Microsoft. Ray, we're going to start with you and talk about portability, and what does that mean?
Well, what we have here is the same consistent Windows user interface, but of course it's Windows NT that's running here, and it's running on a different microprocessor chip.
All right, so what do we have over here on this NetPower PC?
Well, they say that seeing is believing. If I use this little utility here, I can show you what hardware we have installed in this machine. If I choose hardware, you can see that my CPU type is actually a MIPS microprocessor.
So we're not running a 486 or a Pentium here. This is a MIPS R4000, and we're running it.
variformin's been extinct since the Cretaceous period. I mean, this thing isn't on this thing. What?
Daniel, hi.
Could you make me a woman?
Honey, I'm so happy. Oh, come here.
I knew you'd understand.
Is this gonna hurt?
Don't whine, just relax.
Are you sure?
Just remember, pain is beauty. Okay, here we go. Take a deep breath. Instant eye lift.
Wow. And you'll never...
Mom oil, it's so chewy. No, I feel like Bobby. This is not working.
Yeah, no, this isn't working. But don't worry, it's a work in progress. And you're my brother. I will never let you be embarrassed.
God bless you.
I think we're gonna have to do the entire face.
But look at this nice thing, though, we have here. Matchmaker, matchmaker, make me a match. Find me a fine, catch me a...
Biggs, do a look and see down there and take movement.
Right. Come on, Noah, time to go to work.
The bus rolls over several times before it settled at the bottom of the hill here. I don't know if I passed out or what, but when I looked up, the train was bearing down on us. Fast. I don't know how. It's still kind of hazy, but somehow I grabbed him and I pushed him out of the bus.
You're a brave man. You could have both been killed.
Yeah, I know. But, yeah, he's my partner. He would have done the same for me.
Excuse me, Sheriff. I'm Deputy United States Marshal Samuel Gerard. I'd like to talk to you.
I'll be with you in just a minute.
Okay.
One more time, just for the record.
Agent Mulder. I'm Dana Scully. I've been assigned to work with you.
Oh, isn't it nice to be suddenly so highly regarded? So who did you take off to get stuck with this detail, Scully?
Actually, I'm looking forward to working with you. I've heard a lot about you.
Oh, really? I was under the impression that you were sent to spy on me.
If you have any doubt about my qualifications or credentials...
You're a medical doctor. You teach at the academy. You did your undergraduate degree in physics. Einstein's twin paradox, a new interpretation. Dana Scully's senior thesis. Now that's a credential, rewriting Einstein.
Did you bother to read it?
I did. I liked it. It's just that in most of my work, the laws of physics rarely seem to apply. Maybe I can get your medical opinion on this, though. Oregon female, age 21, no explainable cause of death. Autopsy shows nothing. Zip. There are, however, these two distinct marks on her lower back. Dr. Scully, can you ID these marks?
Listen to yourself, Bob. You follow her to work. You eavesdrop on her calls. You open her mail. The minute you started doing these things, the relationship was over. Thank you for your call. Roz, I think we have time for one more.
Yes, Dr. Crane. On line 4, we have Russell from Kirkland.
Hello, Russell. This is Dr. Frasier Crane. I'm listening.
Well, I have been feeling sort of, depressed lately. My life's not going anywhere. It's not that bad. It's just same old apartment, same old job. Sometimes
Russell, we're just about at the end of our hour. Let me see if I can cut to the chase by using myself as an example. 6 months ago, I was living in Boston. My wife had left me, which was very painful. Then she came back to me, which was excruciating.
Yeah, tag team music in full effect. That's me, DC, the brain supreme, and my man Steve Rowland. We're kicking the flow. And it goes a little something like this. Tag team, back again. Check it to record, let's begin. Party on, party people, let me hear some noise. DC's in the house, jump, jump, rejoices. There's a party over here, a party over there. Wave your hands in the air, shake the dairy, yeah. These three words mean you're getting busy. Whoop, there it is, Hitman.